Whenever you're out in the middle of a manufacturing facility working on pieces of equipment for your customer, safety is of the ultimate concern because no one wants to lose an arm, a leg, a foot. So safety is always of the utmost importance, but also efficiency. And that's what we try to do with our customers, to drive the efficiency in their hydraulic equipment that they have to be competitive in the real world. The PIH class that we teach here is the basic fundamentals of hydraulics that will give you the knowledge and the tools for you to then build off of that to become a very good hydraulic technician, mechanic, or even an engineer.
This is my second class with the Institute. I've had 2 other technicians already take the hydraulics class, so we're all coming to the training here to better our skills, become better assets to our company.
Being able to do some of this hydraulic stuff opened my eyes to a bunch of things that I didn't know back home at my plant. Every lesson we talk about in there, we're able to come out here and do it, and so I can pick it up better by actually plugging it in and doing it and seeing what works and how it works.
It wasn't boring. Tim kept it interesting, and then to actually come down here, by far the best part for me was actually coming down here to the lab and actually doing it hands-on.
The hands-on does give you the practicality of things. It does kind of put it into perspective. Seeing it in the classroom and then applying it does make the knowledge come full circle.
I think a lot of people who would take this class are more hands-on type people, so you can show it to us in a book and we can kind of pick it up, but if you can bring us out to an environment like this and actually let us hose it up, it starts making more sense to us.
Every one of our students gives us very good evaluations. I'm proud of our record from the standpoint of how successful we have been to pass on this information.
I would definitely recommend to send at least 6 or 7 more guys down here for the Livingston Haven course. It is well worth it.
I would definitely recommend the class if you got technicians that are new or you need a refresher. There's going to be all 9 of my technicians taking the hydraulics between this year and next year, and 6 taking the electrical class between this year and next year.
I would recommend this course just based on the fact of it's actually a safe place to do it. Hydraulics can be a very dangerous thing. We don't want anyone to spike a pressure, deadhead a pump or something like that where we don't have that danger here.
When I see a new customer and they'll say, oh, we have to now send student, and they're sending another set of students, that's telling me we're doing the right things and we're actually making a difference. We're not trying to just sell you a class. We're trying to give you the tools that will allow you to be successful in the world today.